Okay, good morning, Montreal. Fourth graders, right? Okay, fourth graders. My name is Wendy, and I'm going to be one of your speakers this morning. We're here with an organization called Esteem. We're a nonprofit that goes and does assemblies. We speak to high schoolers, we speak to parents, and we speak to you. So, I need 3 volunteers who are not afraid to dance and are familiar with the floss and the chute.
We're here to talk to you guys about choices that you make now, and maybe more importantly, the next 3 or 4 years of your life, the choices you'll make then.
Hey, I need a volunteer real quick to come up here. Somebody, can you come up here for a second? And I just want to ask you to quickly use this brand new toothpaste and just put some of that right here on the floor. Just take the lid off and just squeeze some of it onto the floor. Now, listen, what's really important is that you know that what you say, what comes out of your mouth affects other people. It can be hurtful things, it can be helpful things. What are some helpful things you can tell people? I just wanted you to do like a little bit. This is all. Just put this stuff. Just put a lot of it back. Thank you. This is kind of disgusting. Just stick it back in. How hard is it to put stuff back in this tube now that it's... Go ahead. Almost impossible, right? When you say something to someone, it's like a word that comes out of your mouth, and you cannot put it back. Think about the stuff that somebody's ever told you before that you're like, that was the meanest thing, and then it keeps playing back in your mind over and over and over again, and they only said it one time. It wasn't all that big of a deal, but you still remember the really mean things that they said. It's the same thing with encouraging words.
Everyday heroes choose to be kind. Everyday heroes choose good friends. Everyday heroes choose to say no. It just takes one person. You guys, you. Just one person making these choices of an everyday hero can change the entire world. I choose to be kind. One more time. I choose to be kind. I